Keblai Pibaro syakatep Khuborjylla ke donbosco Media Network. Kimat bakongsan mentah kesini Shillong, pet kerat umondel bat ubahek na maupat. Kenkop buram keseng Samla danggar prangut di Samla pule. Kerpat di Samla pule tura kampus ban pendap iki post officer kita kili. Bat pintu urakam sangma ban penpoi rel syapak marah. Bat mentangin ha syaki khubor makam. Armut ki Menteri ke Sorkar Meghalaya u Abu Tahir Mondel bat uba EL kila pet kerat na maupat haba ki pat ba kila khangye ki bandrung hashnong ban pli ye ke ying office bethamai jong ke maupat sin RD block ha ka arpoi terik unaitung ki pat ba nong shong shnong ke maupat ha ka step jong ka arpoi terik unaitung arjar arpusan kile mi pat ba ban khangla ye kini ki Menteri Sorkar bat ki officer ki belawan ban pli ke office bethamai jong ka sin RD block maupat ki pat ba kila khanglenti yu Menteri ke tanat sin RD block u Abu Tahir Mondel bat yu MLA ke penthor umkra ba EL bandrung hapo office jong ka sin RD block maupat Kajing temu ban play ya ke office bethamai jong kani ke sin RD block kalau pulam haba ki pat ba kim syak tedot ikini ki Menteri Sorkar ban play ya ke ke office Kedau jong kani kajing persyak kalong ba ke Sorkar kala penken ya ke soskolar belaya soy house nem arjar khat nyau kabala menjur lang ban pentrekam ya ke minimum wages na ke bentai ki nong tre casual bat ban sam renti iki pisa syakishnong na ke bentai ki kampen roy Na kini kajing persyak jong kishnong labuk tengno ya kesengi ban pli ya kini ke ying office bethamai. Kalapau syai kedar ba ke Sorkar Jylla kamshim labat ya ke juban lak kumbalai menjurlang nadu usnem arjar khatnyau. Kipat ba kilong ban ailat ban pli ya kini ke office hadu ba ke Sorkar kan penurlong ya ki kular ba kelas soy ha ke sos kular ha ke snem arjar khatnyau.
Hiwan pan kecakal Shillong mempat dah kesiti cungpai Jylla ai te dah kaburam ni pai Jylla ai dah cengkemian rong Jylla cuba hak handro terik ars nei hadin kata Jylla cuba teh rai hadin jong ketik cuba Jylla ya soiru ya kesos sekolah hak tu kapor dah kaburam ba piti pesta ba piti pesa belum video la ya thok siti kini siap ra arngut padolang khamat chunga kidi kinong ya tre hak ta kapor ta apis aban Yan rai kadau kolong ba hakabidi bat ka agreement ka bangi la ya soy te habret ni pen pa khmat chofei ba kim ya bat tadi tang halor kata kunung rim tan rai sakawiru kacing ya tungkam tungcam kaba kum ka Shillong ngimpat yo pura nangta kabalai hakabidi bat kanai ka hakabidi ba kacing pli ya kanai ka blok mata ka snai ngi kemau ya katau ka bangi ai ka caka da ka ba kemian da ka ba sirhem ngi lale na dong sedong hanrai nagam ta kani ka snai ka ba mata ka si thiru la sufa ka ba sufa tanda ka WhatsApp katau nginum la ya ka ban peding wanda ka kor kelentai ka badigen
Ngimdon kita MP, ngimdon play lawan bilang buat kuat dia kering supply. Tementangin room ke office jayu long yu gunung dia. Tak kita ke dia. Mai beri. Kasar mana ikin akira chef. Kani kalau keluar aku.
Hakasin beningkong kasing Samla danggar kala ay ke Excellence Award chuki prangut ki Samla balawan chakmat haka SSLC but HSSLC arjar arpusan. Kini ki award kilong ban penchlur bat ban kersi wiki Samla puli ne kini kethan ban minot ban duryap hakijing puli jongki. Hakajuk Khubor kilong kinuksa ban perthobot ya kajing lam nanti jongki ni ki Samla. Ya kejingelang penkuk buram lepelong haka kat kendai terik unaitung ha Community Facility Center Danggar ha keba uba Himalaya Shangpliang unong aibut jong kesorkar ha kepang puli putih ulalong ukongsan. Nelor uba Shangpliang ladon langru urang ba shnong uba HS imli kiri urang ba jong keshnong kinong hikai ki kmi ki kpa ki kena skul bat ki pai ba na kishnong ba marjan. Haka jingkren uba Shangpliang ula ai khublai ye ke seng Samla jong keshnong kabala shim ye gani ke sinjam ban penchlur bat ai min sim ye ki Samla puli lingba gani ke Excellence Academic Award.
Amdan show ke jing od jing nam jong kino hikai batong badu tulap madagi kino hikai baro kiyo bet haka account jong ki ke tulap ke bapoy bet man ubenai kata kelong ke jing persyang na kelia ke sorkar de abang ngile kata ngile ya benda kalawe jong kini ki khon Samla jong ngile ya benda kalawe jong kani ke Jylla jong kenamba kini ki khon jong kinlong beriu man beriu menta kani kathan jong nang ne na dangar ombat don hadu menta wiwei doktor bapas doktor dong abu ahmad jong pi khon ya kata kathong ka challenge bahkan nomon na peneng ke pi kila ba pin shim ya kata ka challenge benong nganlong i doktor ba nungkong jok kani ka snong dangar you don't come ki engineer, you don't come ki MCS officers, you don't come ki IS officers. To pet jangan. Yo kilet dang hasor Shillong le syai, ka khame ka penbit ka sor away, kungklet saya ka kot kasla, boy ka jing susi hiing hasem. Akwa ya bi ba penetration tam training on. Kenapa pin pensarong ya kan dekat time dong ya kan dekat dong tu ni. Kumbang ni asno sarong ya pi. Bapila le bah kan dekat exam anda. Kumjur ni kuat ban yi hado ba pin kot ha kata ka kerdan ka ba pilong beriu.
Balwat pat pet semua bahaya serta skema. To thakti barakoi thakti bajang. Congratulations. Okay. Angela Samla Angela Samla semua yang hajan nanda hadir juga roll kit wanyang yang hajan lo thakti kadang layo eki semua thakti lang thakti ke besar. Congratulations nanda is rolket wanyang smobayan sikman api aitin thakti kebajam langta isambolang chongni babut yai smobawan sikman ladam don Pemerintah Dayomika Lengkoi la penhun sisa dan la dabda sebab kami kipa wani rak wan presiden soba kami nak kipa soba wan sepat wud kloi buat presiden nangta kalsaria tuan la dabda wan sepat kami kipa gambir di marat dis kamfas Thapti lam sohai
Kinong yalam ki Samla Pulih NEHU Campus Tura Postgraduate Students Union, Garo Students Union, Bat Garoland State Movement Committee, Kilay Kendo yo Vice Chancellor UVC Professor P. Shukla Upatrekam Nagoti Guest House, Ban Kerpat Ban Pendam Kloilan Yegi Shuki Deputy Registrar, Assistant Registrar Bat Finance Officer Hatura Campus, Kenang bagi kam ki jam kinyat bet bat ki Samla Puliru kin mengat ha jing jenjar babunjat. UVC ulakular ban le kloy kini jing dawa kat kum Khubor balapen kup hau. Ya kini ke kinhon ki Samla Puli lami khmat da uziku Balgara and Marak, Bibian G Momin na ke GSU, Joylish di Sangma na PGSU, ya ke GSMC layalam da Ubalkurin CH Marak.
Tamnam sakantinan angni bimun jo salman di samong arwanga PGSU ni assistant secretary oi kampu kaina leki chinga nangrem gun NGOs baksa jikai GSU GSMC aro non teaching staff baksa apsan meli dalo NEHU ni vice chancellor Prabhasankar Shukla ko Guwahati NEHU guest house to ronal kai baha aro chingni gum sungi ronal ibaniera chingni banga problems rangko face kai ngani aselo aro ko reserve kana man kijang ni asilo chinga ko rong yagang dikna kari baha nekis kang pachni agenda ra labag pa agenda ra equal pay equal work jikon non teaching staff rangni hazarni chichek suni diman kai ni ko uko chinga tharaki implement ka china chuni vice chancellor Prabhasankar Shukla aro register Omkar Singh ko didi ani ko na aro amang chinga khadwani ko na aro isi ko committee ko set kagen aro ya ko implement kai tharak implement kagen ni na china kadwani ko na naki chuni ngapan agenda ra chuni joint register jian LS Kumar nga upur agal na gata chuna dalu diman ka ha banga reason rang donga upur agal na nina sekarang kepada student bakso corporate kaza aro banga samon student rang ko nigile ka aro chuni student rang ni problem rang ko na sakza aro wa bang achangon grade C aro grade D worker trangko mistreat karonga uni men chinga uni khamrang ko namnikcha aro one NEHU Tura campus ni development rangko development rangko delay kainga aro bang achangon ba NEHU Tura campus ko mismanagement kainga aro changsa chini jasa jagani skango chini bin baksa golfo grupna ni napangon wa chingko FIR kana ta mistreat treatin ka ha ini men chinga ko khamoni pra gal china kita chinga galo dabian ni ko negi chinga banga problem sang baksa riba aro chini ningat NEHU Tura campus banga problem nang nonga jekai chimo department building ang dongja aro campus no engineering shell department dongja aro hospital ang dongja aro chimo pharmacist rang dongja uni men chinga chini problem sang ko agan na kita chinga dalo riba ha negi chini campus to deputy register assistant register aro section officer aro EDC aro LDC rang badongja yang ko ba chinga demand khajolan baksa chini tang ni kani nang ko agani na ha aro amang china khadwani ko na ha amang chini campus ko aro chini problems rang ko yakin na china assurance ko na ha aro negi chinga PGSU the interim body sang mai ko chinga full fledged body hong puja Besi ritem bersih yang naskang cumi PGSU full fledged orang cina liba maini hasil ya administration ni kita PGHU ke dispense ka ha ko chunga masija liba chunga dalo vice chancellor register for growing chunga full fledged university student body kon full china kita chunga da biya ha aro
Umentri Kapuli Puthi Urakam Sangma, ulay tho bawla debut din na umentri rangba na kabenta ban penpoino ya kalintirel syaduk bak mara na kabenta ban kentiu ya kayo kakot jangkatan. Hagajing kren berkilap patai Khubor, urakam ulay tho ru bawla deb ban penken mau biang ya umentri rangba ukon rat ke Sangma na kabenta ban penjerong ya kalintirel na mendi pathar lingba kanang albibra lani lingba katura ni na tikrikila dalu bat kiwe shabak mara. Urakam Sangma uday MLA Naronggara Siju constituency.
Given a memorandum to Honorable Chief Minister requesting him to extend the connection of railway from Mendipata to Bakmara. Is by a Nongalbibra or by a Tura, Tura, Tikrikilla, Karupada, Dalu to Bakmara. It's up to the government proposal. So why we need in the look, if you look back at the pre-independence, right? In the pre-independence, so the India and the East Pakistan was well connected. In literally not through rain, right? So look, we were flourishing in business before. But after the partition happened, that India and Bangladesh or Pakistan, so we cannot do business anymore. We have many natural resources, many agricultural products that we cannot sell our product. So look, if you talk about if the situation arises in Bangladesh, our main market, especially for Meghalayans, would have been Bangladesh, right? But in view of political situation at present, it's a different story. But if the situation is different, if it is a normal time, so Bangladesh would have been a good market for Northeast, for the Meghalayans. Therefore, in that connection, look, we cannot isolate the livelihood of our people is very important. The population are growing, employment is growing very huge, and tomorrow we're gonna face the employment crisis. It is not the question of India or Meghalaya; it's a global challenge for every nation. So we should have open more opportunity, right? So the market is the things that we look for. So therefore, look, many young people want to engage in the business, be it in tourism, be it in agriculture, be it in transport, be it industry, in any industry. Look, this government jobs are very limited. But however, there's every action is equal and opposite direction. How much we have the more population, that much the employment opens more, right? Challenge open more, right? Therefore, how much earlier we don't have the hospital. There is no doctor. There is no disease also, except malaria and fever. Today, we have many hospitals. Do all this hospital solve all the diseases? No, it is not. How much hospital came up? How much medical institutions came? How much doctor we have increased more? That much the disease also has increased, which is beyond the understanding of many medical experts even today. Right? Suppose in Corona, it was a surprise for everybody. No philosopher, no scientist, no medical expert could solve it. Right? It's just physics theory. Newton's third law was always applied. Every action is equal and opposite reaction. So therefore, as the world goes on, we need to, as a government, we need to find the ways how to make young people to engage in exploring finding the ways for livelihood. With that intention, we have requested.
But dakini ki Khubor ngilapoi syakabakut tat hadu pengindai syambiang kublai syibon.